Good morning, children. I, Lal Hare Murari Nath Sahdev, call you back once again to the unit compound sentence. This is our third class. Two former classes, even if they happen to be online classes, they must have been very helpful to you. Children, I expect you must have understood what a compound sentence is. I have already explained it. Still, I want to remind you once more. Compound sentence is that sentence which is a composite, which is a joining of two sentences with a linker and form a long sentence. Compound sentence is that sentence which is joined by a compound sentence is that sentence which is a mixture of two small sentences. These small sentences are linked by a conjunction, and these sentences, these small ones, are very important from the point of view of the structure. I have already explained you that there are seven, conjunctions which combine two simple sentences and form meaningful compound sentence. And these coordinating conjunctions I expect to be well imbibed by you in your mind. They can be remembered very easily because they are very less in number in comparison to at least complex sentence and subordinating conjunctions. And is number one. Then for, but, or, at, so. These are seven coordinating conjunctions. Nor. These are seven coordinating conjunctions. You must remember these conjunctions because if you remember them, it will be very easy for you to separate simple sentences from a compound sentence. Now let us come to worksheet 1. Here what you see, effect, cause, so forth. There are some conjunctions which show the effect or show the cause. Confusing these two coordinating conjunctions is easy. So expresses a result based on a reason. For provides the reason. See the difference, so and for. So expresses a result based on a reason. There should be any reason, then so can be used. And for provides the reason. Where there is a simple reason, there you have to use for. I need some money. I went to the bank. Why did I go to the bank? Because I need some money. The basis of my going to bank was my needing of some money. That's why so will be used here. The result of needing money is that I went to the bank. In this case, you have to use so. I needed some money, so I went to the bank. This is how you have to answer or you have to frame the sentence. Now look at, the reason I went to the bank is because I needed money. The reason I went to the bank is because I needed money. I went to the bank for I needed some money. I went to the bank for I needed some money. Here you have to make a comparison between so and for, and accordingly you have to frame the sentence. Now let us move ahead, worksheet 2. Combine each pair of simple sentences to make a compound sentence. Use the conjunction in parentheses. A small kitten followed me home. I gave it a bowl of milk. A small kitten followed me home, so I gave it a bowl of milk. Parenthesis is also a kind of addition. A small kitten followed me home, so I gave it a bowl of milk. We were lost in the woods. We were lost in the woods. My brother had a map in his pocket. Backpack. We were lost in the woods. My brother had a map in his backpack. Now you have to use but conjunction here. We were lost in the woods, but my brother had a map in his backpack. The girls were painting animal pictures. Katrina spilled the paint. Now and is to be used. The coordinating conjunction and is to be used here. The girls were painting animal pictures and Katrina spilled the paint. When they were painting pictures, just then Katrina spilled the paint and spoiled the picture. The girls were painting animal pictures and Katrina spilled the paint. Would you like to go to the movies? Would you rather stay home tonight? Now you have two options. Either you go to movies or you stay at home. That's why or can be used very easily. Would you like to go to the movies or would you rather stay home tonight? Next number. Mr. Sanchez loved his new office. He didn't like the view. Mr. Sanchez loved his new office, but he didn't like the view. Mr. Sanchez loved his new office, but he didn't like the view. Ivana's bicycle had a flat tire. She had to walk to the grocery store. Ivana's bicycle had a flat tire, so she had to walk to the grocery store. Now next number look at. Josh wants to be an astronaut when he grows up. Maria wants to be a nurse and is to be used here. Jose wants to be an astronaut when he grows up, and Maria wants to be a nurse. Jose wants to be an astronaut when he grows up, and Maria wants to be a nurse. This is how you have to make the sentence. 8 number, Dr. Neve and Greg, Dr. Neve told Greg to floss his teeth every day. He didn't listen. Now you are looking at the contrast. Suggestion was given something, but that was not accepted. So but is to be used. This is contrasting coordinating conjunction but. Dr. Neve told Greg to floss his teeth every day, but he didn't listen. This is how you will frame the sentence. Now next number. The fingers of the tigers of the zoo are always sleeping. The penguins are fun to watch. Now you have to use but here. Tigers are sleeping, but penguins are very active. That's why it is a fun to look at the penguins. The tigers of the zoo are always sleeping, but the penguins are fun to watch. Now worksheet 3. Combine the sentences according to instructions. Alan invested a lot of money in the business. The business went bankrupt. So an unexpected result. Alan invested a lot of money in the business. The business went bankrupt. You have to frame a sentence. Alan invested a lot of money in the business. Which resulted into bankruptcy. Alan invested a lot of money in the business, but the business went bankrupt. Alan invested a lot of money in the business, the business went bankrupt. Here you have to show an unexpected result. Now, Duke didn't understand the homework assignment. He asked the teacher for help. Show an action taken based on a reason. Duke didn't understand the homework assignment, so he asked the teacher for help. Here, so is to be used to join two sentences. First one you have already seen, but an unexpected result. A lot of money has been invested, but the business couldn't run well. So it's a contrasting result, unexpected result. Now next, Jack flew to London to visit his uncle. He also wanted to visit the National Museum. Jack flew to London to visit his uncle. As Jack flew to London to visit his uncle, and he wanted to visit the National Museum. Jack flew to London to visit his uncle, and he also wanted to visit the National Museum. It means he had both the expectations. He wanted to visit his uncle also. He wanted to visit the National Museum also. And both of these things could have been well done in London. So Jack flew to London to visit his uncle. Jack flew to London to visit his uncle, and he also wanted to visit the National Museum. The other way also may be possible. Jack flew to London to visit his uncle and the National Museum. This is how the sentence can be converted into one sentence. It is sunny, it is very cold. Now show a contrast. What is a contrasting coordinating conjunction? That's why it is sunny, but it is very cold. Henry studied very hard for the test. He passed with high marks. Provide a reason. Henry passed with high marks because he studied very hard for the test. But because it's not possible, because we are talking here about compound sentence, and because it is not a coordinating conjunction, that's why we will have to think twice about the formation of the sentence. Henry studied very hard for the test, so he passed with high marks. In this manner, this will be a compound sentence. Now look at next one. Susan thinks she should stay home and relax. She also thinks she should go on vacation. Susan thinks she should stay home and relax. So she thinks to go on vacation. This is how you will get the additional information. Susan thinks she should stay home and relax. She also thinks she should go on vacation. Susan thinks she should stay home and relax. And so she thinks to go on a vacation. This is how the sentence can be framed here. Next one, the doctors looked at the X-rays. They decided to operate on the patient. So an action taken based on a reason. The doctors looked at the X-rays, so they decided to operate on the patient. The doctors looked at the X-rays, so they decided to operate on the patient. Next one. I would like to play tennis today. If I don't play tennis, I would like to play golf. I would like to play tennis today, and if I don't play tennis, I would like to play golf. Next number. We needed some food for the week. We went to the supermarket. We needed some food for the week, so we went to the supermarket. This is how the sentence, compound sentence, is to be framed. Tom asked his teacher for help. He also asked his parents for help. Tom asked his teachers for help, and he also asked his parents for help. The other way of making it is Tom asked his teacher as well as his parents for help. But in clauses, we need two clauses. That's why the former one is better. So children, this is how you have to combine two simple sentences into a compound one. Now be very active and agile in doing such worksheets. This time I think it better that you must rake your mind a bit. Put up some labor so that you can frame your own sentences. Remaining all the times dependent upon teachers will mar, will spoil, will destroy your creativity. That's why some of the things must be done by yourself. This time I have decided not to give you any PDF. It's alright. Now wait for the next video to look at the other parts of this compound sentence. Up to quantifiers we have already done. The articles we have already done earlier, so it's not needed much to be done here. Demonstrative, so far as I recall, has already been done. And then possessives also I expect that has been done. This is quantifiers. Now still a few are to be discussed later. But for the next worksheets on next parts of determiners, you have to wait. That's why wait for the next video where we will try to do something more than what we have done by now. It's alright for that reason. Bye for the